Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to reviewing this crease piece, which is a very innovative tool that will help you to up your makeup game. Also, I will show you how it works on the mature hooded eyelids. So if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. Before I'm going to begin, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos that I'm going to release for you. Okay, so now let's just go back to testing this makeup kit. So first of all, let's have a look at the box. This is what the kit looks like. It's just cardboard paper, and this is the actual kit. Also, it did came with the spare little adhesive protectors that came on attached to the box like this. This item cost me $19.99 and I will include all the information in my description down below. So this kit was created by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Brittney and her channel is called Beautifoles. I will include her information in the description down below as well. So I just took it out of the box because it makes too much noise. So she included there are 3 sets of the shields that she offers for different eye shape. Also, she's creator of the video spoon cut crease that went viral, and this what actually helped her to create this kit, which is brilliant, I have to say, right off the bat. So this kit comes with the handle and it has 3 sets of rubber shields that will help you to create a cut crease. Also, they're designed for different eye shape. Mine ended up being almond. Also, each shield is for a different eye. These are washable, reusable, and if you look in the back, they come with this little crevice, and there's this little plastic thing that protects the glue, adhesive if you like. The customer service is fantastic. They kept me posted on every step of the way before I received this item, so very good communication as well. And despite the fact that it is a very difficult time right now in the world, yes, my item arrived very quickly. Before we're gonna move on, there are a couple of things that I would like to share with you. First of all, I am no makeup artist, so please judge me kindly. Secondly, I have very hooded, almost extremely hooded, mature eyelids, and sometimes they even, some days rather, they are even droopy. So sometimes there's the extra flesh that is just hanging over my eye and pushing my eyelashes down. So people like myself or younger people that have very hooded eyes are always on the lookout for actual tools that will help us make things happen and for us to feel more or less like everybody else. Yes, I can do this. I have a crease. Look at me. I no longer look like a potato. Makeup application is very much of a challenge, and the pain that you go through, it flicking burns, especially when I apply my eyeshadows. I know I probably said it several times, but that's the truth. And I am not gonna lie, I will try to fix my droopy hooded eyes once everything in the world goes back to normal. Okay, so let's just go back to testing this crease kit. So here is the product that I've received. This is what you get. The package is still sealed. You do have replacement adhesive protectors in this little bag. And voila. So this is the handle, and these are the 3 sets of crease piece shields. The first thing we're going to do is to see which one suits my eye shape better. Okay, well, let's go with the almond because my eyes are not really that round. This is too big. You get a set of 3 shields, and mine that suits me best is almond. At least I think that's the case. So this is the handle. This is what it looks like. It is made out of plastic. I'm going to prep my eye, and for that I'm going to make sure that my eyes are absolutely dry. This is the normal procedure that I do before I apply my eyeshadows. If you have been watching me for a little bit, you know that. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, subscribe. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my Tarte tape shape and I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. I know this is the concealer, however, this is acting on my eyelids like a perfect eye shadow base. So I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna just apply this all over my eyelid. Also, one of the reasons why I like this concealer is because it is creating that perfect canvas for applying the eyeshadows. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little bit of a décolleté, and I'm going to get my Bobbi Brown brush that is flat like this. You can take any brush, you don't need to have particularly the ones that I'm mentioning. And I am applying powder to make sure that the application will be smooth. Okay. And now that my eyes are well and truly prepped, I'm gonna get my handle and I'm going to remove this piece of film in the back that it has a little crevice. So I'm gonna remove this, and they say to keep this because you will need to put it back on. I am very disorganized when I'm doing my makeup. So for me personally, this will be a challenge. I'm glad that they included spare ones. Apply like so, press, and this is what we are left with. For today's eye look, I'm gonna go into my Pat McGrath Divine Rose. This is what the palette looks like. So it says here the right eye. One of the main instructions that she's emphasizing that for you to start with using smaller brushes and a bit more detailed brushes. So I am gonna start with my pencil brush. Okay, is it going into my crease? Okay, and I'm going in. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I'm doing good. Ouch, this is scratchy. Okay, so she says first is the darkest shade. Okay. Then I'm gonna get a different brush that will be a little bit fluffier, and I'm gonna go with the lighter shade. And now I'm gonna go into this fluffy brush that will have nothing. I'm just gonna blend it to see if this is gonna work. Okay, you ready to see the beautiful crease? What is this? Oh my gosh! I did press it too hard on my eyeball. I see butterflies and unicorns. Ooh, okay. Okay, I don't know. Does it look good? Look at all of my folders. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am impressed. So far, I am impressed. Okay, so let's try to create something here in the corner. I'm gonna go with the lightest shade, which is this one, and I'm going to, okay, I see you, okay, probably not. Let's go back into the fluffy brush, which is, where is that, and this one, so I'm just gonna, okay. Wow, I am well and truly impressed. Whew. Okay, let's do eye number 2. This is flicking working. So one of the things that Brittney is preaching, before you remove and place the little protective adhesive pad back, you have to wipe it off to make sure that there's just no makeup on left. So I did just that. Oh, did I do a good job? Okay, where's that little fiddler? Oh no, I already lost the damn thing. Shoot. I'm back. I had to resort to use the spare ones because I already lost that clear small piece of plastic, which is so easy to do, so please beware. So I'm gonna go with the number 2 shield. So I'm gonna put this plastic piece somewhere on the side right here so I know where it is. Okay, so I'm going in. Once again, just sticking this thing back on like that. Press, press. Right? Okay, I'm gonna go into the darker shade with my pencil brush. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna go in the lighter shade with my other brush. And then I'm gonna get my clean fluffy brush and just blend. Okay, are you ready for it? Wow. I am very, very impressed. Okay, let's just add a little something to the side. Okay, so now that we're in, let's just create an eye look using this beautiful palette from Pat McGrath. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. So this is the final look by using this Crease piece kit. I am absolutely ecstatic and super happy that I did purchase it. It is such a innovative, very helpful tool, very simple. This is plasticky and these shields are made out of rubber. Just fantastic. I personally have somewhat of ability to create somewhat of a cut crease, but I don't think my skill would ever be able to get me where I am right now, especially at the time that was given. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. As far as I'm concerned, it's a must. This is not sponsored. I did purchase this with my own money. I'm always on the lookout for tools that are helping me to you know, improve my makeup game because of the hooded eyes that I have, and this definitely has lived up to its expectations. Super happy, absolutely, yes please, thank you very much. I did use my Pat McGrath Divine Rose in order to create this eye look, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. One small thing that I would like to say, that it is very easy to use this plastic bits that come with the you know, these little shields, so beware of not losing it. I have lost mine protective lid, or whatever you want to call it, after the first time I've used it on my eye. So that is one thing that is, yeah, probably would have been a better idea to make it a little bit brighter or something so it could be easily seen. When I'm doing my makeup over here on my desk, it's a nightmare. It's just like a hurricane went through, so it's hard to find things. But going back to this set, it's fantastic. I would definitely recommend it. If you haven't tried it yet, please do. And if you have mature, hooded, droopy eyes, all of the above, this will be just perfect improvement for your makeup skills. I just cannot believe that I did that. Look at this. Thank you. Once again, I would like to thank Brittney from Beautifoles channel. I will include her information in my video down below, and also I will include the website where I did purchase this kit. One other thing, that this is not sponsored at all, and the customer service was outstanding. As soon as I placed an order, they sent me an email. There was complete and utter ability to track my parcel. Website is very simple, and I know it is a difficult time with this coronavirus at the moment, and I am really thankful for the delivery people that actually are risking their lives and going out there and delivering our goods to our door. And this was delivered to me very fast, so super happy. So final thoughts, I absolutely love this tool. Thank you so much, Brittney. You are a star. Loving it. Please, if you have not purchased this and you have hooded eyes, or even if your makeup application game is not quite there, this will definitely help you for sure. So on this fantastic note, I would like to end today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this video. Join me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.